Hi, Professor. This is Swati, and here I am with further details of the demo of my project. It is based on garbage classification. So I have implemented image classification as part of this project and made use of uh, different combination of models. But what worked for me is here. And I have made use of ResNet as part of this project. So initially what I have done is to um, uh, make use of my drive and take data from there. And then further going on, I have analyzed the format of data and seen that here we have 6 different classes. We can see that paper, metal, cardboard, trash, glass, plastic. These can be some basic classes for classifying garbage. Going forward, if we see, we can make transformations to tensor and make things work better for us. So I have done the same and seen how the visualization after that is actually. So we have equal proportion of all the data and it looks good. Going forward, I have created the model base, which makes use of ResNet. And as part of running the model, because it takes some time when I perform image classification, I made use of GPU and ported it to GPU. If someone does not want that, then also it's fine. Further, I have trained the model and then calculated the loss and accuracy for the same. So as we can see here, when I use the model as Adam, it gives the accuracy in this range. And when I go for a combination of Adamax after it, it helps us further. So if I go on increasing the runs, then it makes things better for us. And I was able to reach an accuracy of around 97 to 98%, which seemed quite good to work with as of now. By the time it's running, let's go forward. Further, I have just taken the plots for accuracy and loss in both the models. So firstly, let's see this for the Adam. So here we can see that the accuracy kept on increasing and decreasing at times, but ultimately the value has reached a good amount in the graph. If we compare it with Adam, we see Adamax, Adamax has shown a higher curve when taken over more number of epochs. So it helped in improving the accuracy in better manner. As we can see, the loss, training loss and validation loss for both the optimizers were decreasing to a good level after running for around 8 epochs. This is for Adamax. Then after running the models, we can see that what we have predicted is mostly correct. So as an output, I have shown here this value, but a small modification which I tried and seemed to work quite good is what I would like to show is when I go further and take a capture on my side, see, I run this part. Once it runs, we are able to see the option for taking a capture. So now if I go and select capture, taking some object, say I have a paper here. I select this, and without showing much of the background changes, I am able to capture it well. When this works fine, I go ahead and take the prediction now. So it predicts good. That's paper. Yes. So this is what I have done as of now. And I'm looking forward to take this to a mobile app, and further, if taken to a higher level, it would definitely work when the garbage systems would have an image taking option and making things simpler on large scale for recycled products cost. Thank you so much.